We're going to look at a few different ways to use the Cloud C Aqua Inductor from the Fertile Current. Here we're using it directly connected to our water supply, filling up our reservoir before we brew a batch of compost tea. Now the water is the moving conductor in the equation of inductance, and the internal assemblage is doing the rest, energizing the water and increasing dissolved oxygen before we brew the tea. Over here we're using it directly connected to the Green Lightning plasma reactor, and our solution from the Green Lightning machine will pass through the inductor device before it goes into the bucket before we spray it. And this is just another way you can see to use the Cloud C directly connected to other water treatment systems and vortexers, and it's actually great to use pre-vortexing. Out here we have the Cloud C directly connected to our wand. So after the tea is brewed, then we can, again, from our sump pump in the reservoir, we can pump the tea through the inductor. And now in this case, you have the soil nutrients like nitrogen, for instance, in the tea. And as those atoms pass through the Cloud C, they're excited and sent into excited state from ground state. And in that process, they gain energy, but they must revert back to ground state to be available to plants, which they inevitably will. When they revert back to ground state from this newly energized, excited state, they express light. And that light expression is really what we're looking for. That's the real nutrients. Light creates what the nutrients that give energy to all life, and then again, those nutrients create light reactions. And that's what stimulates like ATP, which is a cellular energy currency, carrying energy from a point of capacitance to cells so they can grow, regenerate, heal, mitigate disease, and so forth, thrive. So anyway, this is just a few different ways. This is not all the ways. It's unlimited. Any moving water, flowing water application, you can use the Cloud C Aqua Inductor. Go check it out, thefertilecurrent.com. Lots of love and many blessings to you all.